It is I, the beach rock Blacksmith. I am not in my normal area today. I'm on a bit of a vacation. Not really. It was really bad back there. And I'm still on the same beach. So anyway, the reason why I, the beach rock Blacksmith, am making this video is because I have discovered a little new technique that will make all blacksmiths learn that I am the true legend, the true beach rock blacksmith. Let's get started, shall we? So, here's our new humble little abode. As you can see, this one's all fresh and new, unlike the other one. As you can see up there, it leads all the way to the great tall grass. I have never been to the great tall grass. It's economous. So that's a little bit of the humble abode. Now let's get this tourist started, shall we? So, let's just say we want to break this rock. Take a lot of time banging it like this. Right now, with new technology, we can bang it like this. Boom, zakalaka. We've split it from 1 to 2. Boom, zakalaka, indeed. As you see, it's much faster than breaking it like this. Now that we're breaking it like this. Good thing about it is, no stupid hand friction. Just pure rock on rock action. Made for maximum rock destruction. Even solid big boy rocks like this can be cut into in a couple of seconds. This is strong. This metal is so great. It's so great and good. Truly, for Beach Rock Blacksmiths. Even if your weapon breaks, you could still create a good blade out of it. So we do the blade test. That is good blade. For any aspiring rocksmiths out there, thank you for joining the team. It has been a pleasure helping you on this journey with this video. Goodbye everybody, and a farewell to all. Goodbye.